Hey folks, it's Marcus here from UK Barbecue School, and today I'm at Mole Valley Farmers, Clumpton, and we're going to cook some lovely food on the barbecue. And I'm going to give you a few tips and some recipe ideas to take your barbecue to the next level. So I'm going to set up my Kettle barbecue here to cook some lovely sausages. We've got coals in here and we don't need too many. Don't load up the base. If you're looking for more tips on this, we're going to have a video coming out with how to set up a barbecue with lots of tips on charcoal barbecue. Separate up your sausages. Skewer them all the way through. With one and two. So we're going to grate some cheese on top. Lovely tangy extra mature cheddar. So we're going to top it with this beautiful award-winning local pickle. On top there. On a sausage?
Enjoy it. Is it nice? Oh, really good.
Thank you. It's just really simple. You skewer up the sausages together to make like a raft, like that one there, and then a bit of cheese on top, and then whatever you like, hot sauce or chutney or.
Very nice.
Yeah.